Sterilite's 4-shelf unit is the sturdy, rust-proof solution you've been looking for. This shelf is part of a cohesive family of hardware items designed with heavy-duty plastic that will not dent, chip, or peel. Assembly is quick and easy. Start by taking inventory of the parts. You should have 12 legs and 4 shelves. If you're missing any pieces, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service reps. Be sure the Sterilite logo is always in the front as you build the unit. This will make sure all the wall anchor holes are against the wall. Grab a shelf and lay it flat on the ground. Next, insert the narrow end of the leg. Add the remaining legs, pop on the shelf, and move up layer by layer. Heavy items should always go as low as possible to avoid any accidents. We recommend a maximum of 50 pounds per shelf layer, and as a helpful reminder, we've molded that number under each individual shelf. Every shelf has wall anchor holes molded right into them. Simply insert screws and use a drill to secure the unit to a wall. And with a solid surface, you can be sure tiny items don't slip through the cracks. From laundry room to basement, Sterilite 4-shelf unit is the vertical solution to simplify the chaos.